Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Think and Choose. Here is more examples of semantic relationship puzzles. Semantic relationship is about finding logical relationship between two pictures, or maybe more than two pictures. In here, as you can see, the first picture is a tree, and then the next one is just leaves. So this is a complete form of something, and then this is just a part of it. And here as well, as you can see, this is birds sitting on a branch, and then here is a question mark. You have the options A, B, C, D. A is just egg, B is a fur, and then C is a branch again, and then D is like an ant. So what do you think will be next in place of the question mark? The B. The answer is B. Here is the other question. So we're gonna find the relationship between two pictures in here. So if a keyboard is gonna give us paper with writing on it, on the scripts, so what is a camera gonna give us? Yeah, here we go. The camera is gonna give us a pictures. So this is the relationships between two things. So we're gonna work what is the product of a keyboard and what is the product of a camera. A product of a keyboard was paper with scripts on it, and then from the camera is pictures B. Here's the other question that we have. So it's communication and transportation stuff. If it's like this, if we can use a phone to communicate people, we can use a mail as well. So in here, if we can use a train, what else can we use? Yeah, absolutely. So if we can use a train as our transportation device or tool, so we can use a plane as well. So there's two ways of those ones. This is like there is first aid, and then there's a doctor, and then there's a firefighter, and then there's a question mark, and we have A, B, C, D, and then we have some tools there, or maybe some pictures there, and then we have to figure out what is it. So as you can see in this box, which picture should replace the question mark according to the semantic relationship. So we know this is a semantic relationship. In semantic relationships questions, the relationship is between the elements is based on the meaning or semantic connection rather than just a visual or numerical pattern. Okay, we got it. Semantic relationships involves understanding and identifying relationships based on categories, the ability to recognize and apply semantic connections between different elements. So we can say now that if a doctor is working with a first aid box, then what are the firefighter works with? Okay, I think it will be C, because this is something the firefighter will work with. But if a doctor had a passion with it, so we would say A, because the firefighter will help to get rid of the fire, and then the doctor is helping the patient to get it better. So I hope it will be C. Let's see the answer. And here is how we're gonna solve these questions. Do not panic, it's not that hard. In the first row we have 3 flowers which are the same, and they are added together and is equal to 6. How is that possible? A flower is equal to a number. So here is the each of the flowers is equal to a number that is plus and is equal to 6. This is a semantic relationship that we were gonna figure out. So if we have the same flowers and then it is equal to 6, it means that the flowers are equal to each other as well. So in this case, we are gonna divide our 6 with 3 to figure out what is one of the flowers. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Yes, we figure out. And then the next row we have one flower and then star, high star, they are added together and is equal to 2. We know that our flower is 2. And then still it is equal to 2 by adding 2 stars. So there is only one number in maths that doesn't make any changes in the adding, so which is 0. Yeah, 0 doesn't make any difference. So 2 plus 0, 0, 0 is equal to 2. Our star is equal to 0. And then the next row we have a star which is 0. We have 2 balloons, red balloons, and they are added together and is equal to 36. We just can ignore the star because it's 0, doesn't make any difference, and then we are gonna work with our 2 balloons. Our 2 balloons are the same, so it means they are equal to each other as well. So we are gonna divide our 36 with 2 by 2, and this is equal to 18. Yes, 18. Each of our balloon is equal to 18. The next row we have everything together, so we know that flower is 2, we know star is 0, we know balloon is 18. Can you add them together and tell me the answer? Yes, easy peasy, it's 20. There we go. Next video will be on abstract reasoning questions. If you want to see more of these examples for abstract reasoning and know how to solve this question, wait for our next video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Next video